Hi class 12th. Good morning to everyone. Today we are discussed about to solution chemistry part 1 chapter number 2nd solution. So today we are talk about to the chapters solutions. Define solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance whose composition can be varied within certain limit. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance whose composition can be varied within the certain limits. It means जो solution होता है वो एक होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर होता है जिसमें क्या होता है टू और मोर सबस्टांस आपस में कंबाइन होके और एक कंपोजिशन बनाते हैं, एक पूरा एक कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाते हैं। और उसमें क्या होता है, जो कंपोजिशन होता है वो कंपोजिशन में क्या होता है, उनकी एक लिमिट्स होती है अपनी, इन सब की क्या होती है, लिमिट्स होती है। तो सॉल्यूशन टू पार्ट्स, फर्स्ट सॉल्वेंट, सॉल्यूट and solvent. Solution in the form of solute plus solvent. When solute and solvents are combined, then we get solution. Then product form solution. For example, sugar solution, salt solution. For example, sugar solution and salt solution. Sugar is the solute part and water is the solvent part, then formation of sugar solution. Same that salt solution, salt is the solute part and water is solvent part, then formation of solution, salt solution. Classification of solution. Three categories of solution. First, solid solution. Second, liquid solution, and third one is gaseous solution. Solid solution. It means जो सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन होगा वो किससे बना होगा, एक तो सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन से बन सकता है, एक हमारे पास सॉलिड लिक्विड से बन सकता है, सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन, एंड सॉलिड एंड गैस सॉल्यूशन. For example, solid solution. Copper dissolve in gold. Copper dissolve in gold, then we get alum. Example of solid solution: copper and gold solution allowed. And solid and liquid solution: sugar and water, sugar solution. Solid and gas solution: palladium or hydrogen gas, palladium and hydrogen gas. Solid solution: copper and gold solution. Solid liquid solution: example, sugar and water solution. And solid and gas solution: palladium and hydrogen gas. In the same case, liquid solution, liquid solution. Liquid solution: ethanol dissolved in water, ethanol dissolved in water. And next, liquid solid solution, sugar and water solution. Liquid solid solution, liquid solid, liquid solid, water and salt. And next, liquid gas solution. And next, liquid gas solution, liquid gas, water and oxygen, Liquid solution: first of all, liquid solution, ethanol dissolved in water. Liquid solid solution, water dissolved in salt. Liquid in gas solution, water dissolved in oxygen. Last one, gas solution. It means gas solution, mixture of gases. The gas, solute gas and solvent gas. So for example, nitrogen and oxygen. So gas solution, nitrogen and oxygen. It means mixture of nitrogen and oxygen in the gases in the air. So this one is the example of gas solution. And gas liquid solution, for example, gas and liquid solution. Gas and liquid solution: water dissolved in liquid, water dissolved in oxygen. And next one is the gas solid solution, palladium dissolved, the mixture of palladium and hydrogen gas. Next topic, method for expression the concentration of solution. Now we are talk about two concentration terms, yani concentration solution. The concentration, the amounts of solute, dissolved per liter volume of solution, or per kg weight of solvent is called concentration terms. concentration. It means the amounts of solute dissolved per liter volumes of solution या per kg weight of solvent is called concentration terms. The maximum amount of solute dissolved in solution, the maximum amounts of solute can be dissolved in solution are called concentration solution. The concentration terms, the amounts of solute dissolved per liter volumes. It means जो हमारा solute है वो 1 लीटर वॉल्यूम में कितना डिजोल्व हो रहा है, तब जाके वो क्या बनता सॉल्यूशन. ऐसे ही क्या है कि हमारे पास जो सॉल्यूट है वो पर केजी वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, यानी कि अगर हमारे पास कोई जो यूनिट है वो इसमें आए, सॉल्वेंट हमारे को केजी में लेना पड़े, तो वहाँ पे क्या होगा कितने अमाउंट्स में सॉल्यूट डिजोल्व हो रखा है, किसके साथ, केजी वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट के साथ. इसको हम बोलते हैं कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स. Concentration terms are generally concentration terms generally two types temperature dependent terms, temperature dependent and temperature independent. Second, temperature independent. तो temperature dependent terms and temperature independent terms. Temperature dependent terms volumes and temperature independent terms mass. It means जो कंसंट्रेशन टर्म्स है हमारे पास यहाँ पे 2 टाइप्स की होती है. एक टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट टर्म्स होती है जिसमें वॉल्यूम्स आती है, जितने भी वॉल्यूम्स वाली यूनिट है वो सारे के सारे टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट टर्म्स में आएंगे. और जो टेम्परेचर इंडिपेंडेंट टर्म्स होंगे जिसमें मास वाली है वो सब की सब क्या आएंगे, टेम्परेचर इंडिपेंडेंट में आएंगे. तो फर्स्ट where you see the volumes in these terms, temperature independence. It means जहाँ आपको वॉल्यूम्स देखने को मिलेगा वो आपके पास टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट हो जाएगा. और जिस टर्म्स में आपके पास क्या है, when you see mass in these terms are temperature independent terms. तो टेम्परेचर इंडिपेंडेंट टर्म्स में कौन कौन से आते हैं. फर्स्ट percentage volume by volume. Second, weight by volumes. And third terms molarity. And fourth, normality. And fifth, ppm, par per million volume by volumes. And 6, formality. तो टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट टर्म्स वॉल्यूम्स, परसेंटेज volume by volume, weight by volumes, molarity, normality, par per million volume by volume, and formality. And temperature independent terms, first weight by weight, percentage weight by weight, mole fraction, molality, third terms molality, small m, and par per million, ppm, percentage weight by weight.